If you want your app to be opened automatically on clicking your website link, then Deep Link is the solution for that. To enable Deep Link, you will have to turn it on from Integration Modules. In Integration Modules, you will find the Deep Link module. Enable the module to use it in your app. After that, you will find the Deep Link in your side menu. Just click on it and you are ready to configure the Deep Link feature in the app. Here you will have to enter the scheme and host name. Suppose this is my website, and clicking any link under this domain from any place should open the app. Here the protocol of my website address is the scheme, and the domain name is my host name. Also, you will need to enter your team ID from Apple Developer Portal. Let's copy the team ID and enter into Appilix. Let's now save the changes. Now you will be able to download the Apple App Site Association file. Upload the file in your web server under .well-known folder. I'm quickly uploading it using my website's control panel. Now let's test if it's successfully uploaded or not, using the file validation URL. In iOS, without code signing, Deep Link will not work. Also, your identifier in the developer portal must have associated domains capabilities. If not, turn the associated domains capability and save. Anything you change in your identifier requires you to recreate the provisioning profile. As I just updated the identifier and recreated the provisioning profile, I'll have to choose the latest profile in Appilix 2. Great! Now let's build the app. Our app building is completed and let's test the app. We are clicking URLs from a Notepad app and our app is automatically opening and displaying the URL inside the app. So, this was the easy integration of Deep Link feature in your iOS app.